Hello dear subscribers of the Asab training channel. Without hesitation I can say it's the best channel for learning binary options from scratch, and as always it's me Asab here with you today, and as always we'll be doing some crazy things together, namely making money quickly, efficiently and beautifully with the help of our binary options. I wanted to mention that the crypto world is still booming, with Bitcoin showing interesting movements in the market. Overall, this directly affects our trading, and major news can influence price behavior. So it's important to stay focused and be ready to take action. And as always, I wanted to thank my subscribers who share their results with me, and they look very impressive. Look here, even the guys are buying iPhone and expensive jewelry for their beloved girlfriends, and the gear girls themselves are buying whatever they want. As far as I can see, it's just wonderful, friends, cause I am immensely happy to see that you're becoming financially savvy and independent, able to take responsibility for your loved ones. That's what it's all about. I love what I do, friends. Before I begin, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and leave a like and comment on this video, cause it is very important to me. Let's get started. So friend, today we'll be trading on a 1 minute time frame, and today I'll be using a mix of expert options combining 30-second and 1 minute expiring time. Assisting me among the indicator today will be the wonderful and powerful envelopes indicator. With its help and my personal extensive experience, I'll be making decisions today and increasing my bank for you. And the first trade is 1 minute and so in downward direction, cause envelopes shows us a downward direction, and I enter to downward position, guys, and of course we must waiting for our profit, guys. Okay, today I will use two methods for time expiration. It's 30-second and 1 minute time expiration, guys. And so we're just waiting for our profit, the price, and the jumping a little bit, but will be in our direction, I assure you, guys. And so we catch this profit, guys. $9 on my account. Okay, we correct this. I go to up and just waiting for my profit. And these ones, it's 30-second time frame expiration, and I just go to upward direction, cause I see that this figure, it's like a head and shoulders, and it is definitely shows us an upward direction, and I'm choose this, and so it is okay. We catch this profit and moving on, guys. So $90 on my account. If you're a beginner and have absolutely no experience in trading, or if you have some experience in binary options, you can trade based on my signals absolutely for free, with the opportunity to receive a promo code to double your initial deposit. All you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and join my private channel where I publish between 6 to 16 trading signals per day. Just message me, teach me privately, and I'll provide you with more detailed information and help turn many of your financial dreams into reality. All you need to do is follow my actions step by step and be subscribed to my channel. Hurry up, spots are limited. Join us now and start earning right after watching this video. I'm go to up position. This envelope shows us upward direction for this line, and so we just trust our beloved envelopes indicator. And so we're just waiting for our profit, guys. Oh my gosh, exactly, it's our profit. So we just correct and let's move on. So I'm just going to upward direction, because envelope shows us a upward direction right now, and we just, if we watch for my own experience, I can talk that this direction is like dynamic figure. It's like shoulders, you know, and I think that it will be in our pocket, this deal, definitely. So it is very good, guys. $69 on my account. Okay, for one deal I'm carrying this. 30-second time frame expiration, and so we're just moving downward direction. Cause if we watch for envelopes indicator, we just watch that this three line shows us in downward direction, and so I trust this indicator for this moment, and we're just waiting for our profit. Gain $132 on my account, $33, I'm sorry. And so we're just moving on, and this motion, okay, Kachi currency pair, and so I'm moving on and upward direction, because I see that the envelope indicator shows us, a tree line shows us in the upward direction, and a little bit slowly, and it is okay. And how you can see in this moment, the price just fallen up, and it is very amazing, guys, amazing view. So $255, guys, it is just very good. And so I'm just moving down, cause this price will fallen down, I just assure you, for this situation, cause I just know this situation like this, guys. And so if we watch for three lines and envelopes indicator, we just watch that this tree line shows us a downward direction, and just very clear signals for entry point on downward, and we're just waiting for our profit, guys. It is very cool, it is very wonderful, delightful situation. And so I correct my deposit, and $490 on my account and my one deal. And so we just choose time expiration for 1 minute, and just moving on. So first I want to find some very quick situation, and so I'm just going to upward position. What I choose that this place and this motion shows us a figure like head and shoulders, and it is first signal for enter to upward direction. And if we watch for envelopes indicator, this three line shows us in two upward direction, and it's two signal for entry point to upward direction, and definitely I think that all will be okay. And so we're just waiting for our profit, guys, just waiting for this. Oh my gosh, it's very dangerous for us, gang. In the last second, guys, we just catch this motion, very dangerous, but it is trading, you know this. And so all trading is very dangerous things, guys, very dangerous game. And so like moving on, I'm correct my deposit, and just I'm moving to downward position, because if we watch for the envelopes indicator, this tree line shows us a local trend and bearish trend, and so you know, and it is a signal for downward direction, and I'm just entering to downward. It's not difficult for me for this moment. And so and this is the same picture like head and shoulders, guys, and so it is very good, guys. Damn, oh, it's crazy. Some guys on my account $1,800, guys, it just sound very good. Okay, I don't wanna stop these trades, and I wanna earn more, and just moving on, guys. Time expiration 1 minute, guys, and so I'm just falling down for two deal and $900 twice, and I think that all will be okay, guys. If we watch for envelopes indicator, this indicator shows us a very good motion to downward, so we earn money, it's main thing. Damn, guys, oh my god, about $3,400 in my account. It is crazy, guys. Okay, I'm just entered to downward position, guys, and I opened a 3 deal namely amount $1,000 for one deal. It is crazy, guys, but I love this game, guys. I very love this game. Amazing motion, guys, but it is not my price, guys, not our side, guys, but it is all will be okay, guys, because I'm definitely take right entry point for this motion, guys. And so what we can see, we see that the price just a little bit falling down for my entry point. So gang, $6,000 on my account, guys. It is crazy, it is very crazy, but I don't want to stop for right now. I don't want to stop, guys. I want to keep going for my rest. And so, oh my gosh, I am just entered to downward position for again 3 deals, namely amount $1,000, guys. It is crazy. I entered to $3,000, guys. It is very crazy. You look at this, guys. You just look at this. Oh my gosh, no, I don't like this red candle, not this moment, guys. So just falling down, yeah, just falling down, yeah, it's good direction, guys, good, very good direction. Gang, I take this 3 deal. Oh my gosh, guys, oh my gosh, just incredible. Around $9,000 on my account. It is just crazy, guys. I begin for $5, guys. It is very crazy. You look at this, this moment, guys. And I want to make 2 less deal for today, I think. And so I'm go down for 2 deal, namely amount $1,000 USA, guys. And so we just look at this last deal, guys. And so it is definitely very nice. Look, very nice, guys. Look, very nice. Oh my gosh, we catch this motion. Just look at this, $10,000 on my account. It is crazy. I begin for $5, guys. We just look at this. Just look at this, guys. And so, and if you are tired of financial literacy, long working hours and minimum wage, it's time to send all that way and start earning with me. If you are watching this video, it means you're already on the right path. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description. And until next time, profit to everyone. Hacks to all until it crunches.